Hello everyone. Welcome to Anli Flag. Today, we will be showing you how to assemble the rectangle flag. The one we are using in this video is 3 by 11 feet flag. Let's get started. Take out all 5 components, lay out on the ground. Pick out the L-shaped pole first. The short arm will be connected to the main support pole later. Then, the second pole. It is all black and relatively thinner than the other poles. The third one looks pretty much the same as the second pole, but it has a silver aluminum connector on one end. Next, we go for the fourth one. It is much thicker than previous poles. Besides, there is a black plastic connector which is used to connect the upper pole. Finally, we are left with the last pole. It has an aluminum connector, and an adjustable anchor. As always, the aluminum connector is used to connect the upper pole. Let's assemble the flag pole together. Insert the L-shaped pole through the top sleeve, and leave the corner outside the sleeve. Now let's move to the bottom side of the banner. Slide the rest of the poles into the sleeve, according to the order we made earlier. Then, we can loose the anchor and move it up for later use. After that, we can move up to connect the L-shaped pole with the main pole. Then, go back to the bottom. Attach the securing loop to the anchor. Adjust the anchor to the best position, and twist the knob to secure the flag. Insert the stake into the ground using a hammer, or simply step on it. Then put the flag over it. Thanks for watching.